Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming hardware and network basics. Your GREE AC must have the Wi-Fi module fitted and be powered. Use a 4 GHz router because most GREE modules do not support 5 GHz. Make sure your phone is connected to that same SSID. This is essential for the phone-to-unit handshake. Once done, open the GREE Plus app and sign in or create an account. Make sure location and Bluetooth permissions are allowed if the app asks, so discovery and configuration proceed. You now add the AC within the app. Select Add Device and pick the Wi-Fi or specific AC model. Put the unit into pairing mode by pressing the Wi-Fi button on the indoor unit until the LED blinks rapidly. This signals readiness. Then follow the app prompts, choose your 4 GHz SSID and type the Wi-Fi password carefully because a single character error prevents connection. Once the app sends credentials, it will attempt a smart config. Make sure your phone stays on the same network during this step. Finish by confirming the app shows the AC online. Give the unit a clear name and test power, mode and temperature controls to verify responsiveness. Make sure to check for firmware updates in the app because updates often fix connectivity bugs. If pairing fails, one key fix is a full Wi-Fi module reset. Hold the unit's Wi-Fi button for about 5 to 10 seconds until the LED resets, then retry or switch to AP mode in the app. This clears bad credentials and forces a fresh handshake.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.